What's up? This is Jorem. Welcome back to my channel, The Easy Access. For today's episode, mag-unbox tayo ng Huawei Nova 7 SE 5G /review. For its suggested retail price, it gets 19,990 in the market. And for today's video, I would like to say thank you to Madam Mia Santillán of Don Bosco Dumaguete City for sponsoring us this mid-range smartphone. So, Madam Mia is at the back. Madam, can you wave, Madam? Good. Thank you, Madam. Our variant for this unboxing video, in this review, is the 8GB of RAM, 128GB internal storage. Our color is the Space Silver. So, ito yun. So, with the plastic po siya. So, let's go sa unboxing. A quick shoutout to Mr. Stefan J. Galimas. Sir! And a quick shoutout again, thank you Madam Santillán, Madam Mia Santillán, diba? And a quick shoutout to my wife. Thank you. Yun.
Okay, let's go. Unbox na natin to. Kunin na natin yung plastic. Kunin na natin yung unang box. May isa pa palang box. Okay, let's pull this out. Yun. Lagay natin to dito. Okay. We got here a smaller box inside the box. So later, bubuksan natin yan. Lagay muna natin yan dyan. Ito yung phone. Okay, that's the phone. Lagay muna natin yan dito. Okay, we got here the Type-C to USB connector. We got here the Huawei 40W supercharge na makikita mo lang sa mga flagship cellphone nila. Nice. We got here the earphones. Don't worry, this is the 3mm headphone jack. And finally, ito yung Huawei Nova 7 SE 5G. So kunin na natin yung plastic. So ganito siya. Yun. By the way, yung color natin is the Space Silver. When it comes to design, it's very unique. It's very futuristic. Yun. So let's get the plastic at the back. Yun. When it comes to design, ginalingan talaga ni Huawei Nova 7 SE dito. Yun. So as you can see, there are shades of silver pag nailawan siya. So buksan natin yung smaller box. Okay. So ito yung laman ng smaller box. Okay. Lagay natin to dito. So there you go. May pin ejector tool. Panundot. We got here the paperwork, the manual, user guide. There you go. Yun, isa pang paperwork. Dami mong dapat basahin. So yun, lagay natin yun dyan. And matutuwa kayo dito. This is the transparent jelly case and it's for free. So yun, buksan na natin. Kunin na natin siya sa plastic. So there we go. That's the transparent jelly case. Yun. So again, ito dapat yung nasa loob ng box mo. You got here your cellphone, earphone, 40W fast charger, Type-C to USB connector. You got here your box. You got here your pin ejector tool. You got here your paperwork, the manual, and of course your Nova 7 SE. Hiningal ako dun. So that's it. And by the way, hindi pa pala natin nakuha yung plastic. Yun. Ito yung isa sa mga favorite part ko. Yun. So try natin siya ngayon. Yung startup button niya nasa gilid. Pag naka-on na siya, may nakalagay na Huawei powered by Android. So yun. By the way, shoutout nga pala kay Aaron Josh Patrimonio. Thank you sa pag-subscribe. God bless. After completely turning it on, mag-a-appear si Huawei. Parang Marvel lang. When it comes to design talaga, ma-a-amaze ka talaga sa phone na to. The display quality is very solid. Wala akong naging problema sa details and colors. Sa screen specs naman, we got here the 6.5-inch LTPS IPS LCD with a 2400 by 1080 screen resolution. And finally, it has the HDR10 support. Sa screen responsiveness at handling, wala akong naging problema. Sobrang responsive. As you can see, I am trying to get in the camera interface. For a mid-range device like this with great details and great viewing angles, this is very excellent for daily use. Sa mga gamers naman dyan, wala kang magiging problema. It has the 820 5G chipset. According to Huawei, if you're going to run a 5G connectivity with this chipset, it will consume less power and generate less heat to your smartphone. As you can see, fingerprint magnet siya, so dapat ilagay mo yung jelly case niya. Okay rin naman lagyan ng jelly case dahil transparent yung jelly case natin. Pero again, when it comes to design and handling this phone, wala akong naging problema. The build quality is very premium, almost flagship level. Now here's the camera module. It has a 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra-wide, 2 megapixel macro, and 2 megapixel depth sensor. The front-facing camera with punch-hole design has a 16 megapixel lens. Sa bottom part naman, we got here the headphone jack, main microphone, USB Type-C port, and the loudspeaker. On this side naman, we got here the power button and the fingerprint scanner together with the volume rocker. On top is the secondary microphone. If you have some comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below. When it comes to fingerprint responsiveness, okay naman. For social media tasks, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button of my channel. This would bring you an excellent performance. By the way, I would like to say thank you to all my subscribers. God bless! Dito naman we got here the Nova logo, Huawei logo, the quad camera setup, and the LED flash. And before I forget, the Huawei Nova 7 SE has a 4000 mAh battery. Compared to other mid-range smartphone, medyo mababa ang 4000 mAh battery. But remember, it has the Huawei 40W supercharge na makikita mo lang sa mga flagship device. Again, flex ko lang ulit si Huawei Nova SE dito. We got here the Space Silver. And remember, isa sa mga highlights ni Huawei Nova 7 SE is the 5G ready connectivity. In case, ready na ang mga telecommunication companies, ready na sa 5G ang smartphone mo. Pero sana i-fix mo ng 4G. Now here are some examples of the front-facing camera. 1080p, 30 frames per second video resolution. And it has a punch-hole design on the upper left corner. With this mid-range device, you will have an electronic image stabilization. And it has a 16 megapixel lens. This time with a rear camera. As you can see, hindi shaky yung mga video natin dito. And it's because of the electronic image stabilization. A quick shoutout naman kay Sir Jude, Miss Largo, Miss Jessa, Miss Noreen, Madam Balauro, and Sir Brian. Thank you and God bless! So if you're looking for a 5G ready connectivity, you might wanna consider and try the Huawei Nova 7 SE. Yun. For a mid-range device that offers 5G ready connectivity, this is a great investment. For 19,990 that offers 40W fast charging or the supercharge na makikita mo lang sa mga flagship device, sobrang sulit na siya. Yun. Sana po nakatulong yung unboxing at review ng Huawei Nova 7 SE 5G. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button with the notification bell for more updates on my video. See you in my next one.